Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Apple Notes across devices. So first, in your Apple device, head over and click on Settings. Next is click on your logged in Apple account. Next from here, all you have to do is scroll down, then click on iCloud. So from here, once again, scroll down, and you can see here files and stuffs that is saved to your iCloud. Now from here, just click on Notes and make sure that you toggle Sync this iPhone on. And just by turning that on, you may now have an access to your notes on this specific device to all your other Apple devices that is logged in with the same iCloud account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!